not doing anything, man.
Go. You gotta get the timing down.
That looks so wrong.
Dude,
I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, why am I not throwing balls here, man?
Dude, you're sucking.
It's the 50s, though.
I can't get the ball to go.
Put it in the hole.
God, dude, what?
Oh, dude, this is horrible. This is definition wall, bro.
I can't throw the ball. It won't do its song. You're gonna get my score.
This is ridiculous, dude. How did I do that last time?
Were you drunk?
No. I don't know.
Was I?
I don't